Face oils add nourishment, vitamins and antioxidants in your skin, providing everything from oil and fine line control to brightening and soothing properties. They are the ultimate final step in your skincare routine. Face oil benefits our skin big time and can solve most of our skin woes. It can help fight dryness and turn your dull and dry skin into a nourished and glowing one. Some oils can benefit all skin types, even oils that can help balance oil production, reduce inflammation, and fight the bacteria that causes acne. So ditch those expensive store-bought facial oils and make your own homemade DIY face oil.
Hello guys, welcome back on the Foodie. I'm Daisy. If you like to use face oils in your skincare, this recipe is for you. This custom homemade face oil recipe is a natural, non-toxic and inexpensive. It protects your skin against UV rays, reduces the sign of aging and brings a healthy glow on your face.
All you need is 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of almond oil, 2 tablespoons of vitamin E oil or 10 vitamin E capsules, 1 tablespoon of vitamin C oil, 10 drops of essential oil. Combine all the ingredients. Apply this oil on your face before going to bed and wake up to well moisturized, glowing and flawless skin every morning.